So today we're gonna fit trailing flexies, the trailing cable which travels with the lift. So we're gonna start with a flex hanger. I call it the cheese bracket. So we'll fit it on here. It's next to that chunking. So I started with a cheese bracket. I fitted a cheese bracket, as I call it the cheese bracket flex hanger, and prepared everything for fitting flexies. It didn't take that long to fit flexies. The longest is putting them in a chunking and cable tie them on. I always choose to encase any sort of cables within a shaft, but some of the companies, they just clip them on a wall because they try to avoid extra work. But to me, all of them have to be encased and properly protected. In this case, to do motor auto tune, I had to install trailing flexes and a cable for the pit inspection box, because I don't have a fly lead which one comes if buyer of the equipment requested. In this case, because the client bought the lift and he didn't know about it, and I just basically had to deal with it. As you can see, trailing flexes have to be nice and tidy inside the chunking as well, on the corners properly folded so I can close chunking lids, and so that's how it's done. Is in, pulled out the panel. So all it, as you can see, is in a chunking. It goes around and then it goes here. You can see all is in a chunking, and then it goes down there, and it's hanged just there, as you can see. Yeah, hanged in a wall. Okay, now we're gonna have to run this cable from the control panel all the way down the shaft. And that's the cable for the pit inspection box. Manufacturer sent it out too short, so in a while I'm gonna have to extend it. But for now I just plugged it in on a scaffold. I placed the box on a scaffold, and I just plugged it in so I can do motor auto tune. As you can see, the grey pit inspection cable comes into the grey chunking because that is for the shaft wiring. So the pit inspection box is part of the shaft wiring. This cable have to connect into this box, which one is pit inspection box. The manufacturer gave us too short this cable, so I'm gonna have to extend it. But for now, because I have to auto tune motor, I'll plug it on a scaffold, and after that we extend the cable. Okay, so that is connected. That have to be on normal position. Okay. And now our trailing flexes have to connect in this box. This one is called top control box or top control halfway box. It's rather halfway / top control box. Okay, both trailing flexes connected, as you can see. And that box will be mounted once the cabin gonna be built on top of the car, on top of the cabin. So now I have to connect these ends into the panel. And now was the time to connect all that in control panel, enter parameters, program a drive and save all that information and do motor auto tune. Now we'll turn on and see if it lights up. Yep. Okay, and that lights up like a Christmas tree, so it's good. So putting in motor parameters. Okay, so abridged safety circuit here. As you can see, all these I put them in. So the safety circuit is bridged. And now I put all the parameters of the motor plate in here. All the RPMs, amps, hertzes, poles, etc. So okay, I'm gonna go in here, motor auto tune. So we don't have ropes on, so we're gonna put without ropes. Okay, and now press and hold the recall. Okay, so now it does auto tuning, so it learns that drive, learns all the motor parameters. Okay, we're still holding it. You can see motor spins. It's finding encoder now, as you can see, reading all the parameters. Angle, offset angle that is needed for the slowings and and stoppings and speeding up and travel curve and all that stuff. So successful save values, so we press enter, downloading parameters, and that's it.